Hi, I'm Lon Lam, and today I'm going to teach you how to get your dumplings in shape. I'm always happy to talk about dumplings. I love them. They're easier to make than you think, they're surprisingly versatile, and they're fun. Who doesn't love a good dumpling? We'll start with wontons, a classic. We're using square-shaped, store-bought wonton wrappers, which work really well here. First, position your wrapper with one point facing you. Then place a rounded teaspoon of the filling right in the middle. We're using a pork and shrimp filling, but there are lots of different fillings that work well. Then, moisten the edges with water. Fold the wrapper in half, forming a right triangle. The point should be facing away from you. Roll the long edge containing the filling until there's about ½ inch of the triangle left. Moisten the bottom right corner with a little water. Then bring the two corners together and overlap them, going right over left. Pinch the points together to seal the wonton. Now you're ready to fry, boil, or steam. Now let's move on to pork shumai. We'll need rounds of dough for these guys, so use a circular cookie cutter to punch out rounds from the wonton skins. Once you've cut your dough, hold it in the palm of your hand and place 2 teaspoons of the filling in the center. We're using a ground pork mixture from our Chinese pork dumplings recipe. Moisten the edges with water. Then cup your hand around the filling, gathering the folds up and pressing them lightly. You want it to be cup-shaped. You can top it with a fresh pea if you'd like. Then they're ready for steaming. There you go. Serve your dumplings as soon as you can, all souped up or with sauces on the side. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you thought of this how-to in the comments below and hit that subscribe button.